I found a YouTube channel that got millions of views on their short videos in just a few months. When I searched this channel on Social Blade, I saw they make hundreds of thousands of dollars from it. I figured out how to create videos like this, and in the end, I will tell you a secret about how to succeed in this field. First, you want to create 2 images using ChatGPT. I've created 2 images. I'm going to keep this video short so I don't going to type all the prompts now. I'll put them in the description below. ChatGPT is very user-friendly. You can convert your thoughts into images. And the cool part is that he helps us to polish our ideas as well. After generating the images, we'll create an animation transformation video using them. To do this, search for Hyper AI on Google. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one for free. Next, select the option Image to Video. Then choose the model version Hyper 1.5. Make sure to turn on keyframe conditioning. Now we can upload our first image. Leave the middle frame image blank. Upload our second image as the last frame. Now we need to wait a few minutes for the video to generate. I'll fast forward this part for you. Alright, now we have one transformation scene. We need to repeat the process and create 4 to 5 more transformation clips like this. After that, we can combine the clips and add effects, background music and text using editing software like CapCut. So I'm not going to get your valuable time to repeat the exact same process. Instead, I'll tell you the secret to be successful on YouTube. When you post your first video on YouTube, it usually won't get many views. Because of this, psychology says you might feel discouraged after posting 2 or 3 videos. Most people give up at this point, but the key is consistency. That's why I suggest creating 20 videos before you start uploading to YouTube. Post 2 videos every day for 10 days without missing. I guarantee 100% that if you follow this method, your channel will start gaining traction by the 10th day. If you have any questions, please comment down below. See you next time.